guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today I'm participating in the Spring Kitchen Vignette Challenge 2019 with our host Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan. And she wanted us to make a beautiful spring vignette using something with words, flowers, a tray, a bird, or a bunny, and I decided to use this beautiful two-tier tray that I made before. So let's get started. And now we're gonna start by building our vignettes, and for that I'm adding my mugs. I need them for my morning coffee and my sign, and I'm adding this beautiful floral arrangement I made with a bunny head, and I'm keeping arranging and putting together, and you cannot see that, but soon you will see it. Now I'm adding some ornaments I found at Walmart on Christmas, and we're gonna add this beautiful garland. As you can see, it's really tangled and as soon as I get it ready I'm gonna put it on the top of our tray. So you can see the bunny is looking at us. And we're gonna keep on adding. I'm adding those critters that I found at Walmart that was fall and Christmas. And we're continue adding some things, and now I'm adding these beautiful baby carrots I found at the dollar store. They are the cutest thing ever. And we're gonna add the whole package scattered around our tray, like so. I just love them. They look so cute. They're so tiny. I'm in love with tiny things. And we keep on adding. That's the last one. And AKA for Kiki, and that's it. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, right here we have our sign, our beautiful bunny in a beautiful floral arrangement, more flowers, our critters, and this is how it looks. Let me take you a little bit closer so you can see it. This is our sign. Hello spring, we're so ready for spring. And this is our bunny with a floral arrangement. I just love how that turned out. Our critters and our K for Kiki. Those are from Walmart. And more tulips. I just love tulips. Over here are baby carrots and our garland. This is how it looks. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to our challenge host. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Denise for bringing us this awesome challenge. I just love what I created. This vignette looks so perfect on my kitchen. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.